Come with me as I unbox our new mini fridge for our delivery boys. Just a little history and background. In winters, we kept water outside at our doorstep for everyone. But as summer started, I thought of getting a new fridge which we can easily keep it in our garage. Here's how it started. As I wanted others to be comfortable enough to ask for food and water from our house, we thought this step will give them liberty of choosing their own treat, snack, or just a drink. Alhamdulillah, we received many positive feedback from our delivery boys. It is just to encourage others. When there is a will, there is always a way, a positive way. And I really hope that this inspires you and many others. Share this video with others so that we can inspire everyone, and let's join hands there to do the goods together.